In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the WooCommerce checkout page in just a few easy steps. Whether you're looking to enhance the buyer's experience or simply want to tailor the design to better match your brand's aesthetics, modifying the WooCommerce checkout page can play a critical role in elevating your online store's functionality and appearance. Let's dive right in. First and foremost, you need to navigate to the Pages section of your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, locate and click on the Checkout page. This is where we begin our editing process. The WooCommerce checkout page, by default, is managed through a shortcode, which stands as a placeholder for where the checkout form appears on your site. Our goal is to replace this shortcode with a more customizable option. Once you've opened up the checkout page, the next step is to remove the existing WooCommerce checkout shortcode. You can simply click on the shortcode block and remove it. By doing this, we clear the way for a more advanced and customizable interface. Now, it's time to add the checkout block using the block inserter. The block inserter is a versatile tool in WordPress that allows you to seamlessly add new elements and features to your pages. To access it, click on the plus icon present in the editor area. This will open up a fresh variety of block options. In the search bar, type Checkout, and you should see the checkout block appear as an option. Click on it to add it to your page. This new checkout block is a powerful addition because it enables a much finer level of customization compared to the default shortcode. Once the block is added, you'll see various opportunities to make your checkout page more engaging. Focus on customizing the inner sections of the checkout block, such as billing, shipping, payment, and privacy. Each of these sections can be tailored to fit your specific needs, offering a variety of settings that can be adjusted via the block sidebar. The block sidebar settings are where the magic happens. For instance, you can rearrange fields, add new fields, or even disable optional sections if they're not relevant to your checkout process. Each tweak helps to create a smoother and more intuitive experience for your customers. Remember to pay special attention to the user experience here. Reducing friction can significantly reduce cart abandonment rates. As you customize, take your time to explore all settings available. You might find options to align text, update colors to align with your branding, or add brief tooltips to guide users through the checkout process. This is your chance to not just edit a page, but to enhance the user's purchasing journey. Once you've finished tweaking the page to your satisfaction, don't forget to preview your changes to ensure everything looks just right. Finally, hit that Update or Publish button to save your changes. There you have it, a fully personalized WooCommerce checkout page. By taking advantage of the checkout block, you ensure that your checkout process is not only functional, but also visually appealing and user-friendly. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.